Whoa. Wish that I got the first couple minutes worth. You got any left in there?
That was a hiccup.
You had the burp hiccups.
Yeah.
I should have got the camera out sooner. I missed like 30 seconds of good hiccuping. Holy cow. Anything else you want to say to this video? How about a pineapple? Woo! Jeez, how many you got in there? You got over a minute's worth. Is that it?
I don't know.
I think so. That's it. I'm shutting it off. Happy pineapple, rhubarb, shortcake, peaches,
Yeah.
pie. Whoa! My goodness, I'm posting this. Mrs. Hiccuper.
I just hiccuped and then I was like, burped.
I got that. Alright, I'm not going to torture him anymore. Whoa. Well, maybe I will. Anything else you want to hiccup in this video? Maybe hiccup video is the way to go.
One time I'm gonna stop.
I hope so.
When am I gonna start hiccuping?
I don't know. There's sometimes people. They say hiccups is related to the third vertebrae of the neck. That's what the one chiropractor told us. Maybe two of them, actually. So you might need to go to a chiropractor and get adjusted because you were sleeping funny. Was you laughing when you were sleeping? If you were sleeping funny? How do we know if you were sleeping funny or not if you weren't laughing? My goodness, you got 2-3 minutes of hiccups. Maybe you should try some water. I'm just saying. My goodness, hiccuper. Any other hiccups you want for this video? We're going to call it the hiccup video. Hiccup video. Yeah, that first half a minute that we missed was hiccuply horrible. We should have got that. I can't believe that. Whoa.
How long are we into the video?
Almost 3 minutes. Almost 3 minutes. But like I said, we missed that first 30, 40 seconds. I'll have to get you a little bit of soda pop. Here, I'll give you a pop.
No.
Alright, that's enough hiccuping for the video. Anything else you want to say?
Hiccup, hiccup,
Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. How about a pineapple? How about a like, a share, a subscribe, a pineapple, a peach, and an orange?
And also follow me on TikTok if you can.
What's your name?
It's Sarah Lee.
Sarah, they gotta put the hiccup in there? Sarah Lee?
Sarah Lee.
Just Sarah? Just Sarah Lee? Whoa. I bet you don't have no hiccup videos on there.
No, I don't.
Oh. Jesus. 3.5 minutes worth. Whoa. I'm afraid to shut it off now.
I just can't stop laughing.
We're gonna call it. We're gonna start our own server called Hiccup. Hiccup channel. Instead of TikTok, it'll be Hiccup. It'll be Hiccup. Yeah, you did about almost 5 minutes. Would have really got the first half minute.
Yeah, that when I first hit, I mean, it was a bomb.
Would you just had that pudding? What else did you? What else did you
pudding. Eat? Chocolate pudding.
Chocolate must be acid in the chocolate pudding. We're gonna have to see if Snack Pack can put in some anti-acid sodium bicarbonate in their chocolate puddings. We're gonna hiccup like that.
The first minute or so, it was so funny when I walked it back and hiccuped and burped.
Yeah, you were doing that a lot. That's why I'm like, wow, there's a video in the making here. Alright. Jesus. 5 minutes in. Anything else you want to say?
Hiccup, hiccup.
Hiccup, 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 hiccup. Try holding your breath for a minute.
Okay.
You don't have to plug your nose when you hold your breath. You're not going underwater. Jeez. You can see why you wouldn't want the hiccups underwater, right?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
I just gave up again.
Can you hold your breath without plugging your nose? You gotta hold it longer than that, especially if you're gonna go swimming. You didn't even hold it 10 seconds. Jesus, I guess the breath technique doesn't work.
I think the funny one's when I hiccup and burp.
Right, I know what you're saying. It's hard to believe. Chocolate pudding. That's what they call it. It comes with a pack, snack pack. It's a hiccup enclosed. You must have got the hiccup ones. Did you drink anything?
No.
Maybe that's why. Grandma would say, make sure you drink your 10 gallons of water a day. At least 8. At least 8 cups. 8 cups. Grandma would say, drink your 10 gallons of water a day, but at least 8 cups of water a day, they say. 10 helps with headaches. Might help with hiccups. I don't know at this point. I know they have that technique where you drink the water backwards.
How many hiccups do I have?
I'm not counting. You can, after we post this, you can watch the hiccup video and you can count them if you want. But I wish they got that first minute in there.
Yeah,
first half a minute.
that was hilarious.
Yeah, I mean, I never heard so many hiccups in a row. That's what made me think about it. But I never imagined you're going to have the hiccups for almost 7 minutes. My goodness. Is this even real? I guarantee you, we didn't plan no hiccup video. It just happened. Look, I had the old tablet phone on me. 7 minutes.
Wow.
I'm not afraid to shut it off. I'm going to shut it off soon, though, but I don't want to miss any good hiccups. You might get famous for hiccups. I don't know. Probably not, but hey, it's worth a shot.
Yeah.
The boys like hiccups and farts more than anything, so... You want to add that to the video?
No.
I was just checking. I don't know what made me say that. Probably because I'm a boy at heart. Boo! Oh, you got the dog roused. You don't have no hiccups anymore.
I still have hiccups.
Alright, that's it. That's enough hiccuping. Thank you for a like, share, subscribe. Thanks for hiccuping in. Stop in for another hiccup video someday. My goodness. Alright, that's it. 8 minutes is enough. I just can't handle it. I got work to do. Have a good day. Thanks for stopping in. Give us a wave, a like, a share, subscribe, a pineapple, a peach.
I feel like I have more burps.
You probably do. Get your own phone and hiccup your own videos.